Freelancing is a way of working where you offer skills and services to multiple clients without being tied down to a single client or company. You can work on multiple projects that match your interests, expertise, and schedule, and you get to set your own payment and terms. Freelancing gives you more flexibility, autonomy, and creativity than a traditional job. A freelancer is someone who does freelance. So basically, if you want to be a freelancer, you need to have a set of skills that you can offer to clients. Now, these skills need to be in demand in the market. There are a number of skills out there that are currently in demand, such as graphic designers, video editors, photographers, and many more. You need to find the one that suits you and is best for you. You can work as a freelancer either full-time or part-time. There are a number of freelancers out there who started part-time and transitioned towards becoming full-time freelancers. This is very common among individuals who have traditional jobs but also want to freelance.